viewers, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joycelyn and the name of this channel is Joycelyn's TV. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, you're highly welcome. Today we're gonna be cooking what is called yam sauce. That's a Nigerian meal or African meal per se, because most Africans I know they eat yam. So today what we have to prepare is yam sauce. That is white yam with an egg sauce. So cook with me as we go down the line. Already, as you can see, my yam is on fire. Sorry I didn't show you guys how I cut the yam and how I washed and cut it. You can see the yam is already on fire. It's almost getting done, but not yet done. As you can see, the yam is ready, pretty much ready to be served. Yeah. So right now I can see that the tomatoes has dried a bit, so I add my seasonings. This is my salt. I add a little salt. Then my seasoning. This seasoning was actually bought here. It's not really Maggi, neither is it, no, just a blended seasoning. I don't really need to add much. And see, since the tomato is now very dry, is already trying to stick to the pot. You can see that it's dried already. I can now add my egg. Then I have my already chopped vegetables like green peas, carrots, and sweet corn. So I get it ready. Now I can change my spatula so as to turn the eggs very well. This is the vegetables, so I can also add it. Then I leave it to boil for like 2 minutes so that the vegetables can be well cooked. You know that vegetables, they don't need to cook for a long time. Yeah. Guys, as you can see, our egg sauce is ready for the yam, and this will serve as our lunch for today. Guys, if you love my recipes and the way I prepared it, give my video a thumbs up and make your comments in the drop your comments and suggestions on the comment section. If you also like my videos, share it and also click on the like button. Thanks for today and have a wonderful day. Bye.